portfolio is not a big deal. You know, it can be possible to create a portfolio by copying some code or a template and edit, that's it. But create a portfolio with high performance and high security, fast loaded, it's a bit issue. So hi, I'm Joy. In this video I like to show some features of my portfolio. So this is my portfolio, let's refresh it. And this is fast, I guess, and the animation is a quick view. So before I start, I like to show the performance of my portfolio. For performance, I like GT Matrix. It's a real performance. So on GT Matrix, my set performance is 99% in speed, and Y slow score is 91%. Because it's a normal hosting, it's not any international hosting, that's why it's a bit time 2.7 second full loaded time. And the Y slow is saying the add CDN like as Cloudflare and so on, but I don't like to use any CDN to my website, that's why it's looking that. So I don't think it's a bad performance. 2.7 full loaded, and the page size and request, that's HTTP request 42. And if I use any international hosting like SiteGround, AtoHost, it will increase, and the full load time will 1 point something. So let's check our website first. We have a top neighbor and some contact info in this neighbor, and the social icons, this will working social icons on Facebook, Twitter, and so on. So there is a logo. My brothers create the logo, so thanks to Vijay. And some hover effect animated neighbor, and home about me service, and so on. So this is the right a message. Let's create a message, and email. This is my another email, and a mobile number, website if had, it's optional, it's simple. Okay, request for a code. So this is sending an email, thank you for this email, it has been sent. So let's check it's working or not. So this is, yes, I found the email, and this is the email I have received now. And this is the successful email that I have sent from my another emails. So when a user or visitor send a message, he will receive a message, a success message, also success email. And let's move to our websites. So this, refresh it again, and this is 3 images will refer my 3 skills. One is web designing, web development, and WordPress. It's a little about me and services. And you notice that here is a fixed neighbor, sticky neighbor, not one page, that's why it's a scrolling neighbor. And some animation of skills, a little bit, not much. And a favorite, this is the C, you can notice the favorite is moving. And some scrolling image, this is my best project, I have made it for my Canadian buyer. That's the top reviews from Fiverr. You can check the sources. This is my Fiverr account, and here is the reviews, all reviews, you can check it. And this is the scrolling slider. And there's a tips and tricks. I haven't updated any tips now, I will update it soon, so you can find some tricks and tips from these websites. And a beautiful professional footer. I haven't used any kinds of more animations, you know, it's may causes the site slowing. And I haven't add any API like it contact live and talk to clips like that, because when I research and it causes slowing the site too much, so I don't like to add this kinds of. If you want to contact, you can send email, or you can find me on Facebook. So I don't think it's necessarily to add some extra API to make your site slow like that. And some of about me, if you click about me, and here is same form by bit changes, and a video. when you scroll the video will sticky video will come to you, and some active projects is more content coming soon. I will update it soon. And services, the services sections is landing page, portfolio website, custom backend in product, shopping website, business website for WordPress. This is, and blog post will come soon. I haven't added it for now. And portfolios also will come soon. Review sections, if you click review section you will find the all review. This is the top reviews and this is the all reviews, all the best reviews you will find from here. And the contact info, you can see the contact info. If you fill it will send a message, and it's a bit, that's it. And when you browse home, so I don't think it's a bad website. And now the talk about the security, if the site is secure or not. So if you think it's a WordPress website, then you probably want to access the WP admin, but you can't do this. It never allow you to do this. And if you find the source code and want to know which plugin or which theme I use, but you can't do this. Here is no option for that. And if you try new website, this theme or plugin is used, let's see it's working or not. So I am checking with two websites, paste my URL, detect, so access denied. Our sample, it doesn't, it will not allow you to find the plugin or